Hence, we got h of t equal to 3, t equal to 0. So, h of t equal to 3 into delta of t, it is the given impulse response. First, we have to check the conditions for membryless. The condition for membryless is h of t equal to 0 if t is not equal to 0. Nothing but h of t should has amplitude or non-zero value, only at t equal to 0. For other cases, the amplitude should be 0. So let us check here. H of t equal to 3 into delta of t is given. Now I am going to write the definition of impulse function. Delta of t equal to 1 at time t equal to 0, else it is 0. So h of t equal to 3 into delta of t. So by using this definition, if I am replacing delta of t by 1, so delta of t should be equal to 1 only at time t equal to 0, else it is 0. So if I replace delta of t by 1, so what we are getting, h of t equal to 3 only at time t equal to 0. So this is our result. But we have to check this condition. H of t should be equal to 0 for t is not equal to 0. So let us take here -1, -2, 1, 2. See here, at time t equal to -1, amplitude is 0, t equal to -2, 0. So less than 0, 0 is there. Greater than 0, 0 is there. But at time t equal to 0, we are getting amplitude 3. Hence, we can say that, the system is, hence, the system is memoryless. System is memoryless. So let's take the second condition, that is causality. First, I will write the condition for causality. Conditions for causality, I will write h of t is equal to 0 for t less than 0. This is the condition for a system is said to be causal. Let us check. Let us check the given system. Already we sketched nothing but impulse response should be 0 for t less than 0. So we got what? After simplifying, we got h of t equal to 3. H of t equal to 3, nothing but it is present only at time t equal to 0. Else it is, or we can write this condition as, once again I will write here, h of t equal to, we got 3 at time t equal to 0, else it is 0. Else means we can write t is less than 0 and t is greater than 0. So this is the condition. So let us check here. A system is said to be causal. It has to satisfy this condition, h of t equal to 0 for t less than 0. And of course, in this case, for t less than 0, we are getting 0. Hence, the system is, we can write, hence the system is causal. Okay, hence the system is causal. First one is system is memoryless, system is causal. Next, go for third condition, that is stability. First I will write the condition for stability, then we will check whether the system is stable or not. Stability, condition for stability. Here I will write, a system is said to be stable, it has to satisfy this condition, minus infinity to plus infinity, mod of h of tau d tau, which should be less than infinity. This is the condition for what? Stability. If this condition satisfies, hence we can say that system is stable. So this is our equation, correct? The same equation here, index is t is there. So but in the formula, index is tau is there. So I'm going to rewrite this equation as h of tau equal to 3 for tau equal to 0, else it is 0. Nothing but the tau should be less than 0 or tau should be greater than 0. So this is the case. Let us substitute this value in the equation. After substituting, we can write h of, here in the integration, I'm going to write minus infinity to plus infinity, 3 into, it is given, okay, or we can write 3 into delta of tau. meaning is same. Here I am writing 3 into delta of tau d tau. So for the simplification, if you simplify this one, it is present, delta of tau is nothing but it is impulse function, it is present only at tau equal to 0. So we can write only it is present where tau equal to 0. So 3 d tau, correct? Hence we can write 3. It is present only at time t equal to 0, hence we can write 3, which is lesser than infinity. Hence we can say that, hence the system, hence the system is stable. So we checked the three cases for the given example. Now we are discussing what properties of LTI systems in terms of impulse response. For this case, for this example, we checked the three conditions: memoryless, causality, and stability. So first condition is what? It is memoryless. Second one is what? The system is causal. And third one, we checked the system is stable.